What if your busiest week and your worst week looked exactly the same? That's not a workload problem. That's a loop. And most business owners are stuck in one right now. A work loop isn't just being busy, it's doing the same work over and over without getting any further ahead. Think about your last month. Same emails, same meetings, same fire drills, same conversations. That repetition? That's called rework. And rework is the silent killer of small business growth. You're spending energy, but you're not moving forward. Here's step 1. Stop guessing and start looking. Write down your top 5 repeated tasks from last week. Not your whole to-do list, just the ones that showed up more than once. For most business owners, it's always the same 5. Emails, follow-ups, status updates, scheduling, reporting. Name them. You cannot fix what you cannot see. Step 2. Turn every repeat into a checklist. Not a complicated system, just a simple written sequence that anyone can follow the same way every single time. When a repeated task has a checklist, it stops being a decision. It becomes a process. And here's the thing about processes. They protect your energy. Decisions drain it. Step 3. Write a 1-page weekly brief. Every Monday, 10 minutes, 3 things only. What happened last week? What matters most this week? And what's standing in the way? 1 page. That's it. This single habit replaces half your Monday morning meetings and keeps every person on your team pointing the same direction. Step 4. Assign next actions. Not goals, not projects, actions. A next action is the one specific thing that needs to happen next. Not work on the proposal, but send the draft to Sarah by Thursday. 1 task, 1 owner, 1 deadline. No ambiguity, no confusion. When everyone knows exactly what's next, the loop stops. The work actually moves forward. Step 5. Run this system every single week, without skipping. Week 1, it feels new. Week 2, it feels familiar. By week 4, it's just how you work. Here's the truth. The tools don't matter. The software doesn't matter. What matters is showing up to the process every week, no matter what. That's how the loop breaks permanently. If you want to apply this reliably, without building it from scratch, join our tool-agnostic, role-based AI workshop at Evox 365. We'll show you how to turn this system into something your whole team actually uses every single week. Follow link in caption to register. The loop ends here.